Hi guys, so today we are making two popular and super easy version of Coke. Let's start with Masala Coke. Well, you can use any other aerated drink too. Start with adding a lot of ice cubes. To this, we will add black salt, pepper powder, jeera powder and chaat masala. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and add in roughly shredded mint leaves. And then goes the main ingredient. Fill it halfway and give it a good stir. Now it's time to fill it up, but be careful and slow, or this might happen. Psst, I know. Anyways, so the next thing we're gonna make is Coke float. Fill your glass with loads of ice cubes again. Add in the black magic. Scoop in a generous amount of vanilla ice cream and your Coke float is ready to serve. This time we did it on purpose. So thank you for checking out our video. Do try this out and let us know which one you like it better. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Cook, Eat, Travel, Repeat. Have a great day.